The next slide shows the table put forward by ComCom. Shows that Davao City is the metropolitan area that is most congested, ranking 8th globally, with commuters wasting approximately 136 hours per year in rush hour traffic. Second is Metro Manila, ranked 14th globally, with average travel time of 32 minutes and 10 seconds per 10 kilometers, about 127 hours lost time. Third is Caloocan. Next slide shows the proposed solution, which is the issuance by the DILG of a memorandum circular and enactment of by LGUs nationwide, considering the scope will be nationwide, of local ordinances providing updated and clear guidelines on road clearing operations, such as prohibiting parking on public streets between the hours of 5 a.m. and to 10 p.m. So what is the role of the DILG in this proposed solution? As mentioned, it is the issuance of a memorandum circular on the updated conduct of road clearing operations. The legal basis for the directing the LGUs to enact these local ordinances and road clearing operations are RA number 7160, which is the local government code, which mandates LGUs to manage and maintain roads as one of their basic services. RA number 386, which defines public property or property of public dominion as those intended for public use, and those which belong to the state without being for public use, but are intended for some public service or for the development of the national wealth. Sections 3B and 5B of RA number 7924, which is the MMDA law. The cases of Tatanay versus Asisco and the municipality of Cavite versus Rojas, where it was pronounced that properties for public use may not be leased out to private entities. Next slide. What are the policy guidelines and directives? Among others, the current draft of the MC contains that LGUs are encouraged to develop and implement sustainable and institutionalized measures